Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and my dear friend. My name is Prathamesh POTE. I study in class 3rd B. Today I am playing a fancy dress competition of bird. Hi, I am a bird. I love to fly in the blue sky. I have a long and strong beak. My wings help me to fly. I build my house. I build my house on a tall tree. But people cut the tree and my eggs are broken. Then I have to build a new house. I like to eat fruit and insects. But I sit on the tree. Children throw stone and at us, make us fly away. These often